A pneumonia of unknown cause detected in Wuhan, China, was first reported on the 31st of December 2019. A name was given, COVID-19. The outbreak of a new coronavirus was declared a public health emergency. We did a research for a rapid solution. Meet COVI Lab Tester, an ultra-sensitive and highly accurate test that allows the detection of the virus infections even in patients that do not yet show any symptoms of the disease. And this is how it works. Apply the lens firmly on the side of your finger. Gently squeeze the area to allow blood drops to come out and collect it to the dropper. Once collected, drop 3 blood drops into the COVI Lab tester. Add 2 drops of buffer liquid, and within a few minutes, COVI Lab test will display positive or negative to COVID-19. Record readings following each test and keep safe. The fastest way to end this war is by detecting the virus and stop spreading it. We have no choice other than taking things in our own hands.